Hey guys, we are on day 25 and today I'm talking about dodge and burn in Photoshop. So you are watching Research Girl, Mastering Photoshop in 30 days, and if you haven't yet did a whole course till now, you can anytime switch to my channel and in the playlist there is all way for you. Just join, and if you have ever missed the videos or the last updates, just switch to that and let's get started. So today I'm having this photograph here and we'll be playing with the dodge and burn effect. Basically this effect again work directly on the photograph, so I have to just cut to make a duplicate of it with the tool. Say here it's dodge, I'm starting from that. You can see there is range, shadows, midtones and highlights. Till now we know the blacks are the shadows, the midtones are the middle of the white and black, and the whites are the highlights. So this way this tool these all three works with the photograph. You can see there is we are in highlights, and if I paint over their faces, which is the most highlighted part other than the too much highlight bright sunlight, if I paint it too many times, these are just burnt out. That's not the right way. Let the exposure be near about 5% to 10% and paint. That's the trick to make the most of this tool. Dodge basically makes the thing brighter, burn make the things darker, and sponge is in between that. So I'm right now working with the burn, so it's just burning up basically it's making the things darker. And now I'm in the sponge. You can see it has having two, saturate or desaturate. If I click with the desaturate, it desaturate the other colors completely, so we can have a color pop kind of photograph with this tool. But I would be making this saturated photograph. So with the saturation and painting over the background, you can see it's just making the colors brighten up in the background, which is like a much more bright sunrise. Just be sure that you do not paint it too many times so that it goes, say it's over edited. That's not the right way. So paint it until you are happy with the results. So here I am. That was before, this is after. Way different. That was a very subtle colors, or even I can say no color photograph, and this the colors are just emerging on. So you can use it according to your choice. You can get subtle and the bright extreme results like these. I hope this video served as an inspiration for your next photography editing adventure, and if it that's so, just hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.